Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik, and in today's news we have the submission period for Test the Stars Game Jam has ended, and a total of 120 games were submitted, all made under a month. A music pack of 11 epic tracks by Jikun Soft and Komodo. An MV plugin by Equal Delight that enables using decimal values in variables. An MZ plugin by Noon that displays damage pop-up as an image instead of as text. Next, we have an email interview by Gematsu with Yusuke Morino, who is a producer at Gotcha Gotcha Games. Now, you want to read this interview yourself, and in this video, I'm going to read some statements by Yusuke Morino-san, and I'm going to comment on them. The creation of Gotcha Gotcha Games as an organization dedicated to the Maker series has dramatically accelerated the pace of our operations. And I, as someone who does RPG Maker News, I can verify this to you that yes, they have gotten more active in promoting and investing in RPG Maker. Gotcha Gotcha Games has obtained the rights and business of RPG Maker and Pixel Game Maker from Kadokawa. So Gotcha Gotcha Games are basically running the show with RPG Maker and Pixel Game Maker. We are planning to release 4 to 5 user-generated content titles created in RPG Maker by the end of 2021. So Gotcha Gotcha Games will be localizing and publishing more Japanese games on Steam, just like Soaring Macchinarie. RPG Maker is an excellent tool for the fast development of games with 2D graphics. There are more than 4,000 plugins available for RPG Maker MV and MZ, and more than 300 assets are officially available. In the future, we will increase the variety and quantity of assets so that you can create an even greater variety of games. We are also actively upgrading the editor based on user feedback. Please keep an eye on the future release. So they will continue releasing more DLCs, and they're listening to users and upgrading the editor. So expect more upgrades coming to MZ. We want to work with developers all over the world. So their services and operations are not limited to Japan, and they want to work with developers all over the world. Gematsu asks, what are Gotcha Gotcha Games' plans or goals for the company going forward? And Morino-san responds with, it's been 30 years since the Maker series was born, and we're looking for a Maker series for the next 30 years. In other words, our plan is to continue as Gotcha Gotcha Games for at least 30 years. So RPG Maker has had a long history, and so it will have a long future as well. And in his final words, Morino-san says, at Gotcha Gotcha Games, we play the RPG Maker and Pixel Game Maker games made by the community every day. We constantly present these creations within the company to decide which ones are the most unique and designed to be played by many people. With that said, moving on. A Pack of Basic Girl Voice by Jessica Robo. A Pack of Emoji Balloon Emotes by Jatson John. A Pack of Unique Sword Sprites by Snoopeth Duck Duck. Portraits and Sprites of XP Cover Art Characters by Hana Chi. And lastly, XP Style Sprites by Wecoc, including sprites for XP Cover Art Characters. And that is all for today. Go back to game making now.